I want to show you how deletion of photos and videos work in LiveWall. So here we are on my test wall. I have uploaded a bunch of content, and using the QR code I can give guests access both to see the feed and to upload new content. So I'll show my mobile phone here. You can see that I'm connected to the same wall. I've already scanned the QR code. And if you look at these photos now, these are uploaded by someone else. So what I want you to notice is that in the upper right-hand card, there is no controls because these photos are not submitted by me. If I hit the upload button here now and I push in a couple of photos, let's see if we'll take these two and upload those. They are being pushed to the server. If you follow my my main screen here, you can see these photos arriving. And maybe now as a guest I regret one of these uploads. So let's go down here. You can see that there's this triple dot button in the upper right hand corner of the card because this photo was uploaded from this device. I can hit delete. There's a warning because it's deleted forever, and there it's gone. So that means guests have control of their own photos as long as they use the same device. So if they, for some reason, switch devices or browsers, they will have to go back to the original device to be able to delete, or they will need to contact you as the event organizer to help them with deletion. So let's take a look at the options you have. You can, of course, use the same. So here in the menu, you have access to delete as well. So hitting that removes that photo and it's permanently gone. You also have a hide option, and hiding is slightly different from deletion in that it's moved to a folder here on the left. If you're on mobile, this is behind the hamburger menu, and here in hidden you have the photos we have hid in the past. So this means they are no longer accessible to other guests, but you as an admin and owner of the wall still has the content. The high resolution files are stored, and when you download all of your content from LiveWall, the hidden files will be in a separate folder named hidden. So I hope this helps you get an overview of deletion in LiveWall, and I hope you enjoy using the product. Take care.